Imagine living to be 80 or 90, but 150, 200, or even beyond. The stuff of science fiction, right? But what if I told you that science is already uncovering secrets that could potentially extend human life far beyond anything ever thought possible? This is not just a dream, but a promising reality that we are beginning to understand. For centuries, humans have searched for the fountain of youth. Ancient civilizations had myths about immortality, from the philosopher's stone to the elixirs of emperors. But today we have something far more powerful: science. The longest-lived human on record, Jean Calment, reached an astonishing 122 years. However, some researchers believe that's nowhere near our true potential. What if we could push the boundaries even further? What if aging is just another disease that can be slowed, treated, or even reversed? From genetic engineering to revolutionary medicines, artificial intelligence, and even replacing the aging parts of the body with organs grown in the lab, the science of longevity is developing faster than ever. And some experts believe the first person to live to 150 may already be alive today. With these possibilities also come large questions. Is there a natural limit to human life? Might we truly overcome aging, or are we chasing an impossible dream? And if we do break the boundaries of mortality, what would life even look like in a world where people never die? These questions may not have definitive answers, but they certainly spark our curiosity and imagination. Stick around, because by the end of this, you might look at aging and your own future very differently. Before considering the future, let's set the view from the past. How long has the human body been capable of surviving? The oldest verified person to have lived was Jean Calment of France, who lived an incredible 122 years and 164 days. Born in 1875, before airplanes, radio, and even sliced bread, she lived to see the rise of the internet. But was this just an incredible exception? Or is there an ultimate biological barrier to human life? The case of Calment is fascinating to researchers because she survived and flourished. She reportedly smoked up to the age of 117, ate chocolate regularly, and rode a bicycle well into her hundreds. But were her genes good, or was her lifestyle responsible for her record-breaking lifespan? While Jean Calment holds the official record, there have been claims of living even longer, like Li Qingyuan, a Chinese herbalist who supposedly lived 256 years. These claims, however, remain unverified. We know that certain parts of the world have many people living past 100. Centenarians aren't just surviving in places like Okinawa, Japan, and Sardinia, Italy. They're thriving. Scientists have studied these populations in so-called blue zones and discovered common factors. Strong social ties, plant-based diets, low stress, and regular physical activity contribute to their longevity. This suggests that our lifestyle and environment play a significant role in aging. But does this mean the secret to living longer lies in our lifestyle? Or is it deeper, embedded within our DNA? Let's explore this fascinating aspect of the science of aging. Is it the environment, habits, or genes that hold the key? And more importantly, can we use this knowledge to extend lives everywhere? Let's explore the science of aging. Aging is one of the greatest biological mysteries of all time. From the moment we're born, our bodies are in a constant state of renewal. Cells die, new ones replace them, and life continues. But over time, something changes. Our bodies slow down, wrinkles form, energy fades, and eventually, the inevitable happens. But why? At the cellular level, it's a fight against the clock. Our cells divide in a process called mitosis to keep tissues alive. But small errors creep into our DNA with every division and multiply over time. These mistakes weaken our immune system, slow our metabolism, and reduce overall functionality, leading to what scientists call senescence, the gradual decline of cells. One major factor contributing to aging lies in our DNA. Telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, keep our genetic information intact, much like the plastic ends of shoelaces. Each time a cell divides, these telomeres shorten. When they grow too short, cells lose their ability to function, and aging accelerates. Another culprit is mitochondrial decline. These tiny power plants in our cells generate the energy we need, but they become less effective over time. This leads to fatigue, organ failure, and age-related diseases. Then there's oxidative stress. Free radicals, unstable molecules, attack our cells like rust on a car, causing structural damage and inflammation. These mechanisms, telomere shortening, mitochondrial decay, and oxidative stress, work together to slowly wear down the human body. But what if aging isn't an inevitable fate written into our biology? Could it be a condition we can treat or even reverse? These questions have sparked a revolution in longevity research. Some scientists believe aging is a disease, and they're working to cure it. Throughout history, humans have been obsessed with cheating death, from ancient Chinese emperors drinking immortality elixirs to Spanish conquistadors searching for the fountain of youth. The quest for eternal life has always fascinated us. But now, science is turning what once was myth into possibility. The potential of science to extend human life is truly inspiring, and it's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the importance of ongoing research in this field. To fight aging at the biological level, scientists are pursuing three revolutionary approaches: gene therapy, anti-aging drugs, and cellular reprogramming. First, gene therapy. Our DNA contains both youth genes and genes that promote aging. Using editing tools like CRISPR, researchers are experimenting with turning on helpful genes and silencing harmful ones. One groundbreaking study in 2015 showed genetically modified mice living 25% longer than usual. Could humans experience the same benefit? Next, anti-aging pharmaceuticals. Researchers are developing drugs that mimic the effects of fasting, improve cell repair, and even regenerate tissue. Rapamycin, a compound derived from bacteria, has shown promise in extending animal lifespans. Metformin, a diabetes drug, is believed by some to slow the aging process in humans. Finally, cellular reprogramming. Nobel Prize-winning researcher Shinya Yamanaka discovered that special proteins can reset a cell's biological clock, returning it to a youthful state. Now, scientists are exploring applying this technology to living organisms, potentially reversing aging altogether. Some experts think the first person to live to 150 has already been born. But what would this mean for society? Imagine a world where people live for centuries. How would it affect jobs, retirement, population growth, or even our personal relationships? Life extension raises exciting possibilities, but also comes with ethical questions. Are we prepared for a world where humans live far beyond the age we've known? Now, let's take the idea of life extension even further. What if we didn't just slow aging, but stopped it completely? What if immortality, true biological immortality, was within our reach? Some scientists believe advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and mind uploading could make this a reality. Imagine transferring your consciousness into a computer, where your thoughts, memories, and emotions could live forever in a virtual world. Another exciting frontier is nanotechnology. Picture microscopic machines repairing cells and replacing failing organs at the molecular level. With these technologies, death from natural causes could become a thing of the past. But should we pursue immortality? Overpopulation, resource scarcity, and redefining family dynamics are just a few challenges we face. And philosophically, would immortality rob life of its meaning? Would a life without death still feel valuable? Immortality raises profound questions about humanity. Could endless life be more of a prison than a gift? Would we lose our sense of purpose without the ticking clock reminding us to make every moment count? So, what is the maximum age a human can reach? While some scientists believe we might push the boundary to 150 or beyond, the ultimate question isn't just how long we can live, but whether we should. The science of longevity may change how we think about life, death, and everything. But as we venture into this uncharted territory, we must decide how far we're willing to go. Now we want to hear from you. Would you want to live to 150, or even forever? Do you think life's meaning lies in its limits? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this exploration of human longevity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating content. Together, we'll keep questioning the boundaries of human potential. Maybe the true secret to a long and happy life isn't found in a laboratory, but in how we live today, the connections we share, and the moments we savor. Make every day count.